7 key points to understand the waterfall model and enhance your product development process. A comprehensive guide to mastering waterfall model. The waterfall model is linear, sequential approach to software development. Each phase must completed before moving on the next. Requires detailed planning and documentation. Changes are difficult to implement once a phase is complete. Quality control is emphasized in each phase. Useful for stable project with clear requirements. Can be inflexible and slow for dynamic projects. To know more about software development life cycle model, please subscribe to this channel.